welcome to my channel. Myself Tanvi Margade and today I am going to show you the recipe of paneer kofta. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some grated paneer, 200 grams, some boiled potato which are mashed, some oil, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves, curd, salt, kasuri methi, some onion paste, tomato puree, some cashew 5 to 6 which are finely chopped, some cashew paste, some besan, some red chili powder, some turmeric powder, some coriander powder, some cumin, spices which are choti ilaichi, 1 bay leaf, 2 badi ilaichi, some black pepper, some cloves and some cinnamon sticks, some cumin powder, garam masala and some corn flour. So let's start. Now take a bowl and add 200 grams of grated paneer. Then add the boiled potatoes which are mashed. Add salt as per taste. Red chili powder as per taste. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. 5 to 6 cashews which are finely chopped. And add besan as per you require. Then make a dough out of it. We have to need a dough, so you can take as much besan you require. Now take a small part of the dough and make it into a ball. Then coat it with corn flour. And then keep it aside. Like this you have to continue the same procedure to all the balls. Like this I made all the balls. Now we are going to deep fry it. So first take a pan and heat some oil and now add the balls. Let them fry until they are crispy and golden brown. Similarly I add all the balls and now we have to fry them until they are crispy and golden brown. So now the balls are frying and I have removed it from the pan. Now take another pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. In that we will add some spices. So first we are going to add 2 cinnamon sticks, black pepper and clove, 2 badi ilaichi, some choti ilaichi and a bay leaf. We'll mix them and now let them turn aromatic. Now it has become aromatic. I am going to add ginger, jeera, cumin. We'll mix them. And now we will add onion paste. Mix them. And now we will add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. We'll mix them and let the onion become golden brown. When the onion become golden brown, I am going to add red chili powder half a teaspoon or as per taste, salt half a teaspoon or as per taste, turmeric powder about 1 tablespoon, coriander powder about 1 tablespoon, garam masala about 1 tablespoon and cumin powder about 1 tablespoon. We'll mix them. Now spices are mixed properly and cooked, I am going to add tomato puree of 2 tomatoes. So we'll mix them and let the oil separate from the tomato. The oil is separated from the vegetables. Now I am going to add curd and then cashew paste. We'll mix them and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now my cashew paste and curd has mixed properly. I am going to add 1 glass water and let it boil so that the gravy is done. Now the gravy is boiling. I am going to add the fried kofta which we fried earlier. Now my kofta is boiling. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Then I am going to add some coriander leaves. We'll mix them and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now my delicious kofta sabji is ready. I am going to transfer it into a bowl. Now transfer all the paneer kofta sabji in this bowl. Now I am going to garnish it with some coriander leaves. So this is my delicious paneer kofta sabji. Please try recipe at home. It's very delicious, tasty and healthy. If you like my video, please like and share my video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Till that time, bye bye.